In this video, we're going to show you how to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify step by step. Migrating from WooCommerce to Shopify is a common move for store owners who want a simpler setup, faster performance, and less maintenance. Shopify handles hosting, security, and updates for you, while WooCommerce requires more manual management through WordPress. A proper migration ensures that your products, customers, orders, and SEO data are transferred safely without breaking your store or losing valuable information. The good news is that you can migrate your store using built-in tools or migration apps without needing advanced technical skills. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to move your WooCommerce store to Shopify smoothly and avoid common migration mistakes. So, let's get started. The first method is to prepare your WooCommerce store for migration. Log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to your WooCommerce settings. Make sure your product data, customer records, and order history are clean and up to date. Remove any outdated or duplicate products to make the migration process smoother. Next, export your WooCommerce data. Use WooCommerce's built-in export tools or a migration plugin to download your products, customers, and orders as CSV files. These files will be used to import into Shopify. Now set up your Shopify store. Create a new Shopify account and complete the basic store setup, including your store name, currency, and payment settings. Before importing data, configure your basic theme so your store is ready to receive products. Next, import your WooCommerce data into Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard and use either the built-in CSV import tool or a migration app from the Shopify App Store. Upload your product CSV file first, then import customers and orders separately. During import, carefully map fields such as product titles, prices, SKUs, and inventory levels. After importing, verify that all data has been transferred correctly. Check product pages, customer records, and order history to ensure nothing is missing or incorrectly formatted. Next, set up redirects to preserve SEO rankings. If your WooCommerce URLs are different from Shopify URLs, create 301 redirects so customers and search engines are sent to the correct pages. This step is very important to avoid losing organic traffic after migration. Finally, test your Shopify store before going live. Check the checkout process, product pages, navigation, and mobile responsiveness. Make sure everything works correctly before directing traffic to your new store. In most situations, following these steps will help you migrate successfully from WooCommerce to Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, prepare and clean your WooCommerce data before export. Second, import products, customers, and orders into Shopify using CSV files or migration tools. And third, set up redirects and test your store before launching. Remember that a successful migration is all about preparation and careful data handling. Taking the time to clean your data and verify each step ensures a smooth transition without losing important business information. And that's how to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.